Hello, this video is going to show you how to set up a Google Slideshow document that you can use as digital signage with NetPlay. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create the Google Slideshow. I just went in here and put Google Slideshow into Google and go ahead and click on the first link here. And we're going to start with a template. Pick your favorite template essentially. And you can see it's going to open Google Slideshow, and this is basically just like PowerPoint. You can add slides on the left here. You can edit your slides in the middle, change the formats however you see fit. Okay, so you're going to want to edit your slideshow however you see fit. And once you're done with it, you're going to go publish to the web. So there's two ways you can publish a Google Slideshow. The first is as full screen, and the second is embedded within an iframe. In our case, we're going to do a full screen one here, and we're going to want our slides to automatically advance every 5 seconds, as well as start and restart. Restart allows it to loop. So once you set all your settings here, you just click Publish, and it's going to give you this massive URL here. And this massive URL, if you go and web browser, you'll see that it creates your slideshow with its auto advance every 5 seconds. So you're actually almost done. The next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to use tinyURL to give us a smaller URL because the Google URLs are massive and there is actually a character limit for NetPlay. So as you see, what I did here is I took this massive Google URL and it created a tiny URL instead, which basically does the same thing. So if you go over here and you put in the tiny URL, once again, you get the same Google Slideshow. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go into our Virtual Matrix Manager. Go under Source Setup. I'm going to make the source 37 on this one, and you're going to select it as a web URL. And you just paste in that new tiny URL that you created. Click Update. Back to index. Reload the system. And now you can select that on any of your devices. And it will show exactly on the TV like it would show here. So that's all you have to do to set up the system. Now, the one-time setup that I showed you there for the virtual matrix setup, you only have to do that once. You never have to change the URLs again. So what do you want to do, or what do you have to do if you want to update the format? Now this is the best, or the slideshow. This is actually one of the best things, is that all you have to do is go back into Google Documents. So you just go to your Google Docs account, and on the left you select Slides, and you'll see that same presentation that you created here, and you just go in and edit it however you see fit, change it a bit. And whenever you go to the next slide, it's going to automatically save that in your account. And then the next time that you load this, it will automatically show your changes. In NetPlay, all you have to do is just reselect Google Slides, and that will reload it based upon the changes that you made. So it's really fast, really easy to maintain. and creates a great and easy to use digital signage tool for you.